Yeah, sing longer. Any more? Careful. How do you sing it? Maybe more. Can you do Itsy Bitsy? Can you Itsy Bitsy with him? No, Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Good job. Okay, don't get too close to him. You like giving him kisses? And give him a kiss. Did you give him a kissy? I didn't see you give him kisses. Oh, you gave his hand a kissy, huh? Thank you. Buddy. You know, I was going to pick Emmett up? No. Let me pick him up so he can sit up a little bit more.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See you later. See you later? Well, baby, before we go, can you sing, I Wonder What's on the Other Side of the Door? The Abby song?
Yeah.
Let me hear. Can I hear more? Oh, you sing Happy Birthday? Let me hear. Oh, careful.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5?
Yeah.
What's 3, 4, 5? His toes? Do you want to count his toes?
Yeah.
How do you count them? Let me see.
3.
You start with 1.
Yeah.
1.
2. 3.
What's after 3?
3.
What's after 3?
4.
What's after 4?
6.
No, 5.
5.
What's after 5? 6? Yeah.
9.
9. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.